Hello, I'm Trish, and nice to see everybody.
And I'm Andrea.
Yes, so we're here today. We're going to be introducing one of our favorite practices, but an incredible practice again, grounding, rooting yourself when anxiety, when stress, any challenges that come up. I know when I'm selling real estate, there are many times where we find ourselves under stress, and having the right breathing tool before we go to a showing or an offer or dealing with a difficult client, which is very rare, but it happens, and or just a different challenging situation. So it's called the 4-7-8 breathing practice. And let's begin. So we're going to start with just inhaling for a count of 4. So inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold for a count of 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now exhaling for 8 and really let it go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then just repeating this for as many rounds as you need. So remembering, it's inhaling for 4, holding or pausing, however you want to look at it, for 7, exhaling for a count of 8. And when you're exhaling, really just let it go. And then finding that rhythm. It's also an excellent practice when you wake up in the middle of the night and your thoughts start ruminating and you start feeling the stress and the anxiety of, oh my gosh, tomorrow, or what did I say to that person, or worrying about money, or worrying about different things and challenges that have come up. So the 4-7-8 really centers you, it grounds you, and just gives your thinking mind a break, which we really need to do in the middle of the night. So thank you, enjoy, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you, Trish.